So what is Microsoft Azure? Microsoft Azure is a cloud provider that provides various platforms as a service and infrastructure as a service products. Azure has cloud solutions to all the infrastructural problems by providing services in various domains. Did you know that almost 95% of Fortune 500 companies are using Azure? Also, it is 5 times cheaper than AWS. In terms of Windows and SQL Server, because there are also Microsoft products. Forbes says that Microsoft Azure is set to boost the size of the IT market by $10 trillion in the next 10 years. As per predictions, 80% of the businesses will move their workload to cloud by 2025. Thus making it a major career to consider transitioning to for a better understanding of Azure. Let us start at the very beginning. Microsoft Azure was announced in October 2008 and released on February 1, 2010 as Windows Azure First and later named as Microsoft Azure on 25 March 2015. In today's scenario, its reach is in 140 countries and is still expanding, which is pretty impeccable. In simpler terms, Microsoft Azure is a platform that enables users to engage in agile cloud computing and is designed for creating and managing apps through Microsoft's data center. Now there are 4 integral Microsoft Azure service domains. The first one is Azure Compute. Compute is the most integral domain in Azure as it brings everything together. With Azure Virtual Machines you can get on-demand scalable compute resources. Azure Virtual Machines app services and container instances are some popular compute services. Second, we have Azure Networking. Networks from the cloud. Networks in Azure. VNet is the networking tool that connects all Azure resources together. These networking services allow enterprises to safely connect their on-premises services to the Azure cloud. It is also used to manage virtual private networks and further create multiple virtual networks on the cloud. The third one is Azure Storage. Azure Storage provides storage solutions that are more durable and large-scale applications. Data-driven applications can be built without any hassle. Azure automatically scales the storage requirements according to the usage and it automatically balances throughput according to the connections made. And the last one is Azure Database. Azure provides relational databases, NoSQL databases, data lakes and data warehouses. It provides a scalable, high available and fault-tolerant database server and lets you scale according to the incoming data. There are various job roles in Azure. Let's take a look at one of the most popular job roles, Azure Developer. An Azure developer is a cloud professional who creates cloud-based applications making use of the benefits of the cloud architecture. If you are proficient in testing, security development and deployment, then a career in Azure development is somewhere you will fit in well. The job includes responsibilities like testing of applications, maintaining, developing and deploying them on Azure. It also includes participating in all phases of development and having the ability to work side by side with cloud administrators, clients and cloud architects. In the United States, on average, an Azure developer gets paid $132 to $148 per annum. However, for an entry-level developer it's $97,000. Whereas in India the salary offered ranges from 700,000 to 2.5 million rupees per annum. That's all about Azure. Have a nice day. See you next time. For more videos, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to like and share.